Introducing the Sazin H818 drone with camera, your ticket to capturing unforgettable memories from a whole new perspective. Ever dreamed of soaring like a bird and snapping stunning aerial shots? Now you can. No experience required. This mini marvel is perfect for kids and adults alike. It's equipped with a 1080p HD camera for crystal clear photos and videos. Plus, the FPV real-time transmission lets you see the world from above, right on your phone. It's beginner-friendly with features like altitude hold, headless mode, and one-key takeoff and landing. Ready for more thrills? Try the 3D flips and adjust the speed to match your skill level. And with two long-lasting batteries, the fun doesn't stop. Whether it's a gift or your new favorite toy, the Sozin H818 drone is waiting to take your adventures to the skies. Click the link below and take off today. Meet the Hanavan drone, the perfect flying companion for beginners and pros alike. Want to impress your friends with amazing aerial footage or surprise your kids with the ultimate gift? This drone has you covered. Featuring an adjustable 1080p HD camera, you can capture stunning moments from any angle. Flying at night? No problem. Its LED lights guide the way for seamless fun, even in the dark. Enjoy multiple flight modes like headless mode, 360-degree flips, and gesture control. Plus, the two modular batteries ensure up to 25 minutes of flying time. Foldable, portable, and packed with cool features, it's perfect for on-the-go adventures. Ready to elevate your family outings or surprise someone special? Click below and make the Hanavan drone yours today. Say hello to the KGFS-17 mini drone, big features in a compact design. Imagine a pocket-sized gadget that lets you explore the skies and capture stunning shots. Ready to fly. With a 1080p HD adjustable camera and optical flow positioning, you get steady, breathtaking shots every time. It's packed with features like altitude hold, gesture control, and one-key takeoff landing, making it a breeze for beginners. Weighing less than 55 grams and foldable for easy storage, it's the perfect travel companion. Plus, its two batteries offer extended flying time so the fun never stops. Whether you're gifting it to a loved one or keeping it for yourself, the KGFS-17 mini drone is ready to take off with you. Grab yours today and start flying. Introducing the DRC D20 mini drone, fun, safe, and perfect for beginners. Looking for the ultimate toy that blends technology and fun? This mini drone is all that and more. Equipped with a 720p HD camera and FPV transmission, it captures moments in real time. Control it using your voice or simple hand gestures. Flying has never been this interactive. With features like altitude hold, one-key start or landing, and 3D flips, the D20 ensures endless excitement. And thanks to its compact size and protective propeller guards, it's as safe as it is entertaining. Make birthdays, holidays, or any day extra special with the DRC D20 mini drone. Click below to bring home the fun today. Unleash the power of the skies with the Screwbuzz 2K HD drone, built for adventure seekers. Ready to level up your drone game? Capture stunning 2K videos and enjoy effortless flying like never before. This foldable mini drone is perfect for beginners and pros. With a 2K HD adjustable camera, brushless motors for stable flights, and multiple flight modes like waypoint flying and 360-degree flips, it's the ultimate gadget for any aerial enthusiast. No FAA registration needed, and it comes with two batteries for up to 30 minutes of flight time. Its lightweight design makes it ideal for travel, while advanced features like altitude hold ensure smooth, precise control. Ready to capture epic aerial views? Click the link and make the Screwbuzz 2K drone your new adventure partner today.